Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Singapore prawn noodle soup, updated. Start by roasting prawn shells and heads until fragrant, then simmer them with aromatics for a clear, flavorful stock. Strain the stock and adjust seasoning with fish sauce and salt. Blanch noodles briefly and prepare toppings like charred prawns, fish cake, and bean sprouts. Finish with a drizzle of chili oil and fresh lime for brightness. Gather 500 g fresh prawns, 400 g yellow noodles, 2 liters water, garlic, shallots, ginger, star anise, fish sauce, and sambal chili. Peel prawns, reserving shells and heads for the stock, and devine if desired. Toast shells briefly to deepen flavor, then roast aromatics until golden. Use moderate heat and slow simmer to extract sweet prawn flavor. Finish by reducing to concentrate the taste. Quick recommendation and ad break. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, I recommend a book that changes how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth. It pairs surprisingly well with budgeting for gourmet cooking and saving for quality ingredients. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Blanch noodles in boiling water for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then drain and divide among bowls. Reheat strained prawn stock to a gentle boil and ladle over noodles until just covered. Top with charred prawns, sliced fish cake, fried shallots, and fresh cilantro or green onions. Offer sambal and lime wedges on the side so each person can customize heat and acidity to taste before enjoying. Serve immediately while piping hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.